First, click on the search bar and type Settings, then open it. Now from the left side, choose Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the App Permissions section and click on Microphone. Look for Microsoft Teams in the list and make sure it has access enabled. Then go back, click on Camera, and again, make sure Teams is allowed to access your camera as well. Next, open Microsoft Teams. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, then choose Settings. In the left panel, click on Devices. Make sure the correct microphone and speaker are selected based on the ones you're using. Also, check that the camera preview is showing the correct video feed. Now let's restart Teams properly. Right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Find Microsoft Team in the list. If it's running, select it and click End Task. Once it's closed, reopen Microsoft Teams and test your microphone and camera again. Here's an extra step that can help if the issue still isn't fixed. Go back to the search bar, type Device Manager and open it. Expand both the Sound, Video and Game Controllers section and the Camera section. Right-click on your microphone and camera devices one by one and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find the latest version for you. This can solve compatibility issues that block Teams from accessing your hardware.